The Migmaster 300i, Section 1, Introduction. In today's world of fast-paced changes, being prepared to quickly respond to the next opportunity is more important than ever. The welding equipment that you select should make it easy to handle that carbon steel job today, a stainless steel project tomorrow, and then next week maybe an aluminum project. Perhaps you've got a MIG job in the shop this morning, and in the afternoon you'll need a good TIG welder. Is that next big job going to be mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or some other alloy? Will it require MIG, TIG, or stick welding? Until now, you had to decide between purchasing only one welder that typically compromised welding performance to handle all those applications, or you've had to purchase a different power source for each application. Fortunately, L-Tec Welding and Cutting Systems has developed an elegant yet simple solution for these kinds of problems. L-Tec is proud to introduce you to our Migmaster 300i, a multi-process industrial welding system, a simple solution for a complex world. This video has been prepared to introduce you to the Migmaster 300i. It will provide an overview of the features and simple instructions on setup and operation. For your convenience, this video has been divided into 5 segments. Section 1 is the introduction, which you are currently viewing. Section 2 is an overview of the features and specifications, as well as a listing of the equipment that is provided in the package and a review of optional equipment. Section 3 covers how to assemble the package. Section 4 provides details on how to use the guided setup control panel. And Section 5 covers some of the advanced MIG features such as trigger lock, dual schedule operation, multiple memories, and more. Section 2, Features. The Migmaster 300i is our latest development in state-of-the-art DC welding systems. This remarkable 300-amp compact system makes high-quality multi-process welding simply a breeze. The Migmaster 300i provides MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding all in one package. You get all this versatility without sacrificing performance. In fact, the performance of each of the welding processes bundled in the Migmaster 300i is superior to most standalone power sources. The Migmaster 300i is a complete ready-to-weld MIG system that's packaged with plenty of standard equipment. The only extra that's required is a cylinder of shielding gas. Optional TIG and stick welding accessories are also available. The Migmaster 300i comes complete with an industrial high-performance power source designed to provide excellent arc performance on a wide variety of DC applications, from a highly stable 10-amp DC TIG weld up to a fast-fill 300-amp MIG spray arc. A built-in wire feeder utilizes a driven feed roll and a pressure roll for maximum feed force. The Migmaster 300i will accommodate up to 12-inch diameter spools and handles wire sizes from 0.23-inch to 5/64-inch. The heavy-duty undercarriage and cylinder rack is pre-assembled at the factory. A 300-amp MIG welding torch is included. You can choose a package with a 10-foot, 12-foot, or 15-foot torch length. This industrial welding torch comes assembled and ready for 0.35-inch and 0.45-inch diameter wires and includes liner, number 10 nozzle, 0.35-inch contact tip, and an 0.45-inch contact tip. 2 double-grooved drive rolls are included, one for 0.23 and 0.30 wires, and the other for 0.35 and 0.45 diameter wires. A 10-foot work cable with heavy-duty clamp and quick-action twist connector is included. A regulator with adjustable flow meter is included, along with a 10-foot gas hose. A 10-foot primary input cable with plug and receptacle is also provided. Comprehensive MIG and TIG welding handbooks are provided as part of the package, and we even include a coupon for a free spool of mild steel wire. The Migmaster 300i means outstanding performance for MIG, TIG, or stick welding. The advanced, fast response inverter power source design provides this exceptional performance without compromise. The Migmaster 300i has a control system that's so advanced, it's simple. Our unique, easy-to-use guided setup leads you through the weld setup process without quirky codes or complicated instructions. A process selector switch allows you to quickly choose MIG, TIG, or stick welding. A 2-line 32-character control panel clearly displays setup information, and the scroll button lets you move smoothly through a simple step-by-step setup procedure. The Migmaster 300i provides complete, high-tech performance in an easy-to-use package. The power source features a CC connector for easy hookup of MIG torch and optional push-pull and TIG torches, along with easy polarity selection and a remote control receptacle for optional foot or hand control. Setting up for MIG welding can't get any easier than using the Migmaster 300i. With the wire loaded and the process selector switch set for MIG, all that is required is to make 4 simple selections on the control panel. Using the guided setup, first select wire type. Second, select wire size. Third, select shielding gas. And fourth, select plate thickness. No further setup is required. Simply pick up the torch and begin welding. All power source and wire feeder parameters have been automatically set based on your selections. It's just as easy to set up for stainless steel or aluminum or flux cord wires. You can even set up for gasless cord wires. If your personal preference is for a tighter arc or perhaps a softer arc, simply trim the voltage or wire feed settings. Trimming can be done on the front control panel or from an optional torch-mounted control or foot control. The Migmaster 300i is simple to use, yet flexible enough to satisfy any welder preference. TIG welding setup is also easy. Select TIG on the process switch, set welding current on the control panel, and you are ready to weld. The Migmaster 300i uses a refined low-amp touch start and a lift arc circuit that provides smooth arc starting without contaminating the electrode or the plate. With shielding gas flowing, simply touch the electrode to the plate. When you are ready to start the arc, just lift the torch and the current will automatically upslope to the preset welding current. The arc is smooth and exceptionally stable, even at low welding currents. The control panel also allows you to set gas pre-flow and post-flow. Stick electrode welding is just as easy. Set the process switch to stick and preset welding current on the control panel. An automatic arc force circuit assures good starts and a stable arc with a wide variety of electrode types. Plenty of advanced features come as standard on the Migmaster 300i. During long welds, trigger lock will increase operator comfort. Spot welding is for short welds, spot welds, or plug welds. When set, simply pull the torch trigger to start the arc. The arc will then automatically stop after the preset spot time. Stitch welding pulses the arc on and off, making it easier to weld on thin plate or on plate with poor fit-up without burning through. Dual schedule operation allows you to change between 2 settings while welding. For instance, You can change from a hot, fast-fill spray arc to an all-position short arc while welding without breaking the arc simply by bouncing the torch trigger. This is a great feature for improving productivity. 3 memory storage lets you set up for 3 different conditions. When you change from job to job, simply select one of your preset memory lists. Battery backup stores all your settings, even when the power is off and the unit unplugged. Slow wire run-in improves MIG arc starting on materials such as stainless steel. Burn back keeps the wire from sticking at the end of a MIG weld. This feature is also adjustable. Manual setup gives you even greater fine-tuning capabilities. In manual setup, you independently set wire feed speed, arc voltage, and power source inductance. Options let you customize the Migmaster 300i to meet your needs, such as the MIG 41A push-pull gun. The MIG 41A can be used for MIG welding up to 25 feet away from the power source. The MIG 41A is particularly effective at handling difficult-to-feed wires, such as the 4000 series aluminum wires on spool sizes up to 12 inches. There are 2 TIG torches available for the Migmaster 300i. The HW17TV has a male quick-action twist connector that plugs into the output connections on the lower right-hand corner of the front panel. Gas connections and a contactor control switch are included in the assembly. The HW17TV torch will allow you to TIG weld without disconnecting the MT200 MIG torch. An HW17cc TIG torch is also available. This torch assembly has a central or Euro connector that plugs directly into the same threaded torch connector that is used for the MT200 MIG torch. The HW17cc torch permits shielding gas control with the internal gas solenoid and also includes a contactor control switch. A stick electrode holder with cable and quick-action twist connector is also available. So what's left? How about easy to assemble? The Migmaster 300i can be unpacked, assembled, and welding in under 15 minutes. No lift truck, crane, or fancy tools are required. The secret is that we've done just about everything for you at the factory. We've just covered 9 important reasons why the Migmaster 300i should be your choice for the 90s. L-Tec has used advanced inverter technology and microprocessor technology to provide the welding industry with a simple-to-use, versatile welding system. Compared to any other compact system on the market today, the Migmaster 300i provides more of what's important: maximum versatility, unequaled value, and outstanding performance, all in one complete package. Section 3, How to Assemble. The MIG